Howdy all, I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are safe and I hope you guys are healthy. My name is Josh and I love clothing. If you guys aren't subscribed to me already, feel free to subscribe if you like this video. But today I'm going to bring you a video of basically I wanted to answer the question as to how many unique styles could I possibly make with my current wardrobe. I came up with 5 different looks. I'm going to be presenting them in kind of a lookbook style. I'm really excited with how they turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and go ahead and allow the outfits to speak for themselves. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get to these outfits.
Thanks for tuning in. We got some new music for y'all. This is Fall, exclusively on Shaded Radio.